All right. I'm on my page, deal discounts and promotions. So these three buttons right here, click on that and then add action button. Now mine has, you can have one or two buttons shown on your page to help people contact you for your link to your website or app. Mine is just the message button, but you can click edit buttons right there and you can click which ones you want on there. So you can actually click the book now option and that'll help you get people to book you for your services. So that's another way you can add that also. And you can click sign up part, and that's where you can put your website in that. Okay? All right, hope that helps you.